Hey everybody, just a quick video. I wanted to show you some of the tags that have come in for the gratitude challenge for my journal. The gratitude tag and pocket challenge is linked below. The first 20 will get one of my ornaments from this year also. So I have the first 5 people that have entered come in. So I wanted to show you the tags and stuff that's come in. I haven't looked at them yet, so thought I would just make a quick video of it. I love these. Look at these cute little tags. Oh, you did such a good job, Janice. I can't wait to add these to the journal. Oh, and look at, she made a library pocket too, a double pocket. Nice. Really, really cute. I love this. Really, really cute. And then this one as well. Very, very cute. Little pockets everywhere. It opens up. And what a fun little folio, little mini folio. Cute paper too. Thanks, Janice, for entering. So Janice gets an entry for each one that she sent in. So I'm going to have to count to get all of Janice's entry. But thank you, Janice. Those are beautiful. The next one is from Sabrina. All right, Sabrina, let's see what you sent. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I love this. She made a little paper clip. Look at that. How cute. That is really cute. Okay, so this one opens up this way. It's a place to write on it. Nice, cute. Cute. And this is a little pocket here. And then look at this fun pocket. What a fun pocket. That one is a pocket. And this is a pocket. And this is a pocket. Nice. Pretty paper too. Oh, I love this. These are amazing. Really fun to add to your tags. Really, really pretty. And okay, I wanted to make sure she hadn't written on the back. Look at that. That's really beautiful. And then here's another one, really pretty. Love your style. Really gorgeous. Thank you, Sabrina. Oh, I can't wait to put these in mulberry paper here, guys. And then look at this one. How gorgeous is that? I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Thanks, Sabrina. All right, so these are Sabrina's entries. So I have to put those. So I'm going to keep track, and we're going to do a number generator for the winner. All right, this one is from Jan. Jan, I'm so glad you found us. So glad. All right, so Jan sent these. Oh, look, she packed them really nice. So here we go. Look at this beautiful pocket filled with tags. Look at that. I love it. Fall. And then look at this. Fall is proof that change is good. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Beautiful papers. And then there's one more. Nice. Love it. Thank you, Jan. I will get all these entered into my list. And I can't wait to send out the Christmas ornament to you guys. Okay, this is from Denise. I'm trying to be really careful because I don't want to rip anything. I got to get my signatures done. Look how cute she's charms. Look how cute. Okay, this one's beautiful. Love it. Love it. And then this one, cute. I think this, is it open? Oh, maybe it's not supposed to. There we go. Some playing cards. And then this one, how pretty. And it goes like into a little pocket here and a little charm. I think this charm is supposed to be on there, so I'll fix that. I think it came off. Probably in the mail. And then look how cute this one is. Lovely, lovely. Don't want to show anything not supposed to be showing. And then look how cute this is. You know, Rochelle is going to think that you made these for her. right? And this one is really cute. It says, remember. Just wanted to make sure there wasn't anything in there. Very cute. And I will fix this. Probably slipped off during the mail. Okay, lastly, this is from Debbie Music, and she made a card, You Make Me Smile, and she sent in one little cute tag. So thanks you guys so much for entering. I'm going to be getting these signatures in so I can start putting it together. Just can't wait. All right, thanks so much for watching.